Bola Ahmed Tinubu, having done all these things, that there will be no need for agitation of Biafra again.
For more than 15 years, it has been one government will come and just do something and go. But the section being done MTN, under RCC, is going to be completed by February, fully and total, and it's costing us 202 billion.
Dave Umahi is saying that the first section of the construction of Enugu-Onitsha Expressway is costing them 202 billion. I've never seen the kind of criminality that we have in Nigerian government in any other government. Just tell me what it is that you are constructing in Enugu-Onitsha Expressway that is going to cost 202 billion, going to half of 1 trillion naira. Then that of the coastal road, the Lagos-Calabar coastal road. Remember, they said that one, they don't even know how much it's going to cost them.